In this video, I'm in Incheon, South Korea, and I will take you on a little walking tour of South Korea's biggest Chinatown. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is Chinatown in Incheon. So this is Incheon, Chinatown. Here's one of the gates. Let's start our climb. This is what we see at the top here. And here's a Korean bride. Look at, she's all tatted up too. Tattoos, looking so nice, and there she goes to get married. So right here is a nice little information booth. I got a map here, right here. Let's go take a closer look at this. You can go up top, second floor, and get a better look at it. So here it is. Let me take this one flight of steps up and see what kind of vantage point I can get here. All of Incheon from high atop this viewpoint. So this is what the vantage point he sees, and there's the port. This port was started in 1863, I believe, if the year's right, and they put it Chinatown here so it'd be accessible for all the goods coming in. Let's check this out. Nice shady area here. So we've got two of them in this same area. This is a really good map here. It's going to show you everything that they have here in this area, from the park, statue of General MacArthur, Chinatown Street, Mural Street. So let's see how many things of these we can check out and show you on this video. So it didn't take me long to find the mural street right here. And all these murals I've got set up here on both sides. They got the murals here, and then they got some more murals over here. So this is nice. This is a good place to start the walk off of. Let's see, look at here. Great big old statue here. This is nice. Look at this. Wow. Golden statue, and they got the murals around them. The kings honoring them. So as I continue with the walk here, you see the murals on that side and on this side as well. This is a really nice traditional Chinese door right here. Look at that. Nice, beautiful red with the dragons. So right about here is where it all starts to happen along the different streets. Check it out. Look at this. Crowds, abundance over here. So this is the biggest Chinatown in Korea. And they've done it up really nicely. If you're only going to have one, go big and make it really nice. And they've done just that. A Chinese guy up top here in the barrel. Look at this. Up there and right down there. Look at that. So they got something going on here. Look at that big flame. I guess they're making these little breads here. They got some dim sum here. So mostly food in this area so far. A lot of Chinese restaurants. Not a whole lot of shops yet. So now let's see what else we can see here. More Chinese restaurants. Oh, this is pretty neat. Got a Buddha right here outside of a restaurant. And some steps to go up. All right, this looks pretty good. They got as a tourist experience type staircase built in Chinatown. It is a citizens participating staircase where you can experience Chinese attractions and get a good fortune. So let's see what that's all about. Okay, so I've already got the first flight of steps. Let's see what else we got and the view along this way. Really nice, colorful steps here. Now up the second flight of steps. 2 more to go. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. Oh, this is nice. Got all kinds of different animals up here. Got the pig, the dog, the rooster, the monkey. Oh, I see where we're going with this. We got the ram. So these are all the Chinese characters of the 12 calendar months, each one right there. And then got the pig, the monkey with a map in between them, and check out this China gate. Nice. Let's go check this out closer. All right, so another wall of murals along this way. So, and then at the top here, even more walls of murals that continue to go on that way. So, it's a nice walk. Show you what it looks like from here. This is a nice up close and personal look at this big gate here from the side of it. So let's go see right on up this shady area what else there is here at the top. Okay, so if you continue going on up those steps, you'll wind up at the exact same place where I was just at earlier in the video. Here's another staircase with a dragon. Let's take a look at this dragon staircase as I go on up. Show you a little bit better angle of it. This is lighting up pretty nice here as the sun is starting to go down. It's hitting directly upon it, lighting it up nicely. Now we're starting to see some gates up ahead, so maybe this is the main gate. Let's check it out. Gate looks like from this side, Chinatown. These are different kind of ice creams. Look at this, shaped like a little rose. Let's see what their end game is. Here's some little pandas you can have a seat and take your picture with. Little panda area here. Pretty nice. So this is neat. Look at this big old gate here. They did this thing up right. Having a little fun with it. Look at, they put some characters, put a little squirrel on the top of this one here, as you can see. And then on the other one, they have a tiger up there climbing up, a panda riding upside down on it. So definitely having a lot of fun. Here, there's some more pandas, and on the Chinese lantern here, and then climbing up here with all the rainbow action. Take a look at it from this angle. But the sun, okay, and there it is. Kind of a little silhouette because the sun's in the background there, but nice nonetheless. A lot of these buildings that you see are restaurants. There you go. Balancing cups. Look at that, Chinese little teacups there. And then here's the China Gate. And here it is from the front. Check that out. Pretty nice. As the sun hits it, bringing it to life. There's only one temple in this whole place, so let me go in search of it. See if I can find that and show it to you. So here's a little temple in the middle of Chinatown, unknown. Kind of had to know it was here to see it among all the shops. So finally the big payoff to all the walking pays off as we get to see a little Chinatown here. Let's see, let me try to get this glare of the sun out so you can appreciate it from this angle. So pretty good. Nice. And here's what it looks like up close. You see the little incense that they burn there. And there's the Buddha, Chinese characters. So really nicely done. And then over here, another little prayer type of room. And then they have a little pagoda here. Look at the little stories up on that. And then this little area for more incense. So pretty good. Hidden little gem among this Chinatown in Incheon. This is pretty neat. There's like a little church here, and then right next door is the Chinatown. Big old dragons and buildings and all kinds of neat things here. Pretty neat the way the Golden Gate reflects off the golden hour. These guys here are showing how the docks first started in 1883 and how they used to carry the stuff over from the docks right across the street. Oh, cool. Look at this big old dragon here. And just down the street from Chinatown is this trendy little bar section where they have little clubs and places to go and get out nightlife in. Kind of lights up pretty neat at night along this way. Little traffic circle here And they got all kinds of restaurants here. This place seems to be the livelier place at night when Chinatown pretty much closes down by 6 p.m. This place comes alive. They have a Guess store, Nike, so they do have the American brand name stores. This is where the young and the old come together to enjoy their company after the sun goes down, enjoy a meal. Ah, look at this. Korean restaurant with a karaoke. They got these music bars also around here. Another music bar. Look at that. Playing the old style classic hits from the 70s and 80s in there. So this little area does have a lot of charm to it. Look at that. Nice. And then another little, they got a mart here. So I would definitely recommend coming here as well if you're going to be in Incheon. What's this guy selling? He's selling all kinds of chilies. Wow, look at all these chilies here he's got. Look at that. Look at all those chilies. Unbelievable. Drying them out. Big, huge chilies right there. That's really neat. Glad I happened to come by here and it fits just perfectly. It looks almost like a carpet or a rug. There's a nice big restaurant right there. I think I'm gonna stop in there and get something to eat. Been craving some Chinese food after eating Korean food a lot on this trip. This is where I'm gonna go, right here into this restaurant and try some of these noodles, see if they're any good. Chinese food style. So this is interesting. I came into this Chinese restaurant as I said I was going to. Ordered some beef noodles, and this is what they brought me. The beef on the side with an egg and then some noodles. So they said take the beef, dump it in there, and that you got your beef noodles. Let's see what happens. I have to admit, I was a little uncertain on how it would taste mixing the beef over the egg and the noodles. But after doing it, I have to admit, it was delicious and I was pleasantly surprised. So as I ride the subway heading on over to the airport to fly on out of South Korea, I have to tell you I was pleasantly pleased with my stay in South Korea. The people were friendly, the prices were affordable, so if you're looking for a little bit of a different travel destination in Asia, I highly recommend South Korea. If you'd like to see my other videos on South Korea, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.